Hi, DP. Message po natin sa lahat ng mga nangangamusta at nagmamahal sa inyo sa social media.
Oo, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta, maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal. Huwag kayong mag-alala, kayang-kaya ko ito, kayang-kaya nyo rin ang mga pinagdadaanan nyo. Magkaisa tayong lahat. Mahal ko kayo. Ang lahat ng ginagawa natin ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at para sa pamilyang Pilipino.
Hi, kamusta mga Chong? It's me po, no? Dito at welcome po dito sa ating Chong Can Talk channel. And I just want to greet all of you guys, mga Pilipino sa Pilipinas with a capital PIA! Pinoyski! Alright! At syempre po noon, sama natin dito ang ating kaibigan sa buong mundo, ang ating mga OFW. Ayan po! Kamusta po kayo diyan? Magandang araw, hapon at gabi sa inyo. Well, now it's Christmas is coming. I just told you guys last video na tayo po ay mag-iingat sa mga love scam. Okay? Sa inyo, ingatan nyo inyong bulsa. Padala na natin yan sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. At mag-save po kayo ng sa inyo. In that way, meron din po kayo pang sarili. Okay? And most important is yung health nyo. Okay? Always drink water. 8 times a day. Oh, para tayong Dr. Ong yan. Man, kita mo yan. Ha? Okay. Anyway, speaking of that, before we continue, I just want to say thank you sa mga bagong subscriber at syempre po sa mga bago ngayon, please, thank you at we will try our best, no? And syempre po sa mga dati ko pang subscriber, maraming salamat po sa inyo. At sa mga napadaan lang dyan, subscribe na lang kayo at share, like, mag-comment kayo, mas maganda. In that way, maisama natin sa next video at i-press nyo rin ang bell notification. Okay? All right, let's talk about the bells, you know. There you go. Kung matatandaan yung mga Chong, no, one of the OFW messaged me at sinabi niya sa akin na ano raw ba masasabi ko tungkol po, pasensya na kayo, medyo may allergy tayo, ay ano raw ba masasabi ko na yung ibang senator o yung isang senator may nag-whining daw, sabi. At siya mismo nagsabi noon at sabi niya bakit daw parang takot na takot siya. No? So, tinignan ko naman, binasa ko. Well, alam mo kasi, I don't know, pero it looks like parang gano'n nga. But anyway, bago tayo mag-umpisa, no, gusto ko muna sabihin sa inyo ang latest survey ng ating VP ay 83%. Woo! Alam niyo mga Chong, sa kabila ng maraming paninira sa kanya confidential fund na malatagal lang in-explain pero marami pa rin ob-ob ang kikisakay, ay yan pa rin ang trust rating ng ating VP. Bakit kanyo? Alam naman natin na ang mga Pilipino, yung mga regular Filipinos, di ba? Alam naman nila talaga kung ano yung totoo. Tira sila ng tira. Sino ba yung mga yan? Salot Block, Palos-Los, at meron pa dyan si Tililing, you know. So, gano'n talaga eh. Pero ang Pilipino, yung puso ng Pilipino na kay VP pa rin. Kaya VP, congrats po sa inyo. Okay? Alright. Ituloy na natin, no? At pinag-uusapan natin kanina yung isa raw senator, mga takot. Sino ba ito? Si action star Chingoy Estrada at ito raw ay nagsalita sa plenary hall ng Senate bago yata sila mag-umpisa o nakapag-umpisa na sila meeting, whatever. And pinalalabas itong si Sir ay meron daw nag-leak sa kanilang mga meeting, mga executive meeting na tungkol daw sa confidential fund na ibabalik daw ng, you know, parang gusto lang bumoto na ibalik yung confidential fund ni VP Sara at ng Department of Education, which is VP Sara also. But I guess nung nalaman nito na may nag-leak nga, parang nung nakita ko yung video, alam niyo maraming mga nagre-react, no? Merong positive, may negative, may nagsasabi na syempre, no, sino ba hindi magagalit, di ba? Private meeting yan, may nakarating. Pero sa akin lang naman, mga Chong, ay it's just confidential fund. Alam naman natin na binitawan na ni Vice President Sara yan at sinabi niya na okay na lang kahit wala na, we're just gonna continue our job, moving on, di ba? Ito naman, parang kita-kita mo nervyos na nervyos. Bakit pa? In the first place, Senator, you are legislative, di ba? Parang gumagawa kayo ng batas, you are a Senate, you know, you are a senator and you are doing a law, no? And you balance also. So parang independent kayo when it comes to that. Kaya nga may 3 branches ang government, di ba? Merong legislative, merong executive, at saka may judicial. So, kasama kayo doon sa legislative. Pero, the way that yung sinasabi mo na may nag-leak nito, may nag-leak niyan, is parang takot na takot ka eh, no? Parang you're worried. Parang, baka mawalan ka ng budget. No? Come on. All you have to do is, ladies and gentlemen, people of the Philippines, may nakarating sa amin na may leak, you know, before we continue that, let's watch this guy, no? And, kayo na po humusga. Diba?
Gentleman from San Juan, if I'm not mistaken, Senator Jinggoy Estrada is seeking the floor. I move that he be recognized, Mr. President.
Our distinguished colleague from San Juan, former Senate President Pro Temp, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, yesterday we had on the All Senators Caucus and we discussed lengthily the budget of the Republic of the Philippines. And just before we entered this august chamber, much to my dismay and much to our dismay, there was a news report that identified 8 or 9 senators, and there were names on that list, 8 or 9 senators who wanted to restore the Confidential and Intelligence Fund.
So what? No? Kakampi nyo naman sila VP Sara, di ba? Unity team kayo. So, parang dito, parang, I don't know, no? Kasi maraming angulo, no? May nagsasabi na galit lang sila dahil nga sa leak. At yung iba naman, no balls, di ba? Sabi, wala na balls, no? Action star pa naman daw palagi. Yan yung mga nakikita ko, naririnig, nababasa. Kaya ako naman, nag-react din. So the way I see it, is parang, yeah, parang he's worried, no? It's so easy, Jinggoy. All you have to do is like, okay, may nag-leak dito na ganyan. Fake news yan, mga Pilipino. At ipapaimbestigahan ho namin yan. And I just wanna let you know na kung sino man ito, mananagot ka sa ginawa mo. Yun lang. Pero yung kung ano man yung lumabas na chismis, lalo sa political news, fake ho yan. So we're gonna talk to political news at malaman namin kung sino nagsabi and we're not gonna papayag na na palampasin ito. Again, this is fake news. Let's move on. That's it. Di ba? Dito kasi sinasabi niya sa video, parang parang he's worried eh. Di ba? Dagdag nood pa rin natin.
Of the Vice President and the Department of Education. And I wish to tell the people of the Philippines that there was no votation that happened yesterday with regard to the Intelligence Fund of the Vice President and the Department of Education. In fact,
ito pa nakakatawa no? Alam naman nilang Vice President at Secretary, talagang binabanggit talaga yung pangalan. Vice President and the Department of Education. Di ba? Kasi sa akin, parang he's trying to protect his ass. You know? Parang he wants to make sure that nobody will be on his ass. O baka may pumulang, mawawalan ka ng budget, sisirain ko ang pagkatao mo. So parang ganun eh. Pero senator ka. Just like I said earlier, this is fake news. There's a leak. Paimbestigahan namin to. Just wanna let you know, Filipino, this is fake news. Walang CF na pinag-usapan. Hindi kami ganun. Okay? We will let you know kapag nailabas na namin. That's it. Alright, let's move on. Because Filipino are paying us. Ganun lang yun eh, di ba?
we had an executive session. And I do not know who of our colleagues who scooped or leaked our conversation to this media outlet.
Marites pa yan. O, see? It's not, hindi ka mamamatay dyan. Just say, let's move on, fake news, no? Tapos ngayon, colleague mo pa. May nagbanggit sa akin, baka raw yung, ikaw ang...
I have been a senator here for more than 10 years. And this is the first time that I encountered a scoop or a leakage. I do not know. I do not want to name names.
I do not know. I don't want... Oh my gosh. Baka naman yan yung yung gusto tumakbo ng presidente sa 2028. What do you think, mga chong, ha? I know, right? Siyempre, i-leak yan. I don't know. I'm just making my story.
This is a violation of our rules.
Yun!
And the majority floor leader will expound it later.
Yun.
Mr. President, we discussed lengthily for almost 2 hours the schedule, etc., of the budget of the Republic of the Philippines. We never touched or we never voted with regard to all the intelligence fund or confidential fund. In fact, we agreed unanimously to remove all the confidential and intelligence fund, not only that of the Office of the Vice President, including not only that of the Department of Education, but all security or civilian agencies na merong confidential and intelligence fund.
Kasama ba dyan si President? Dahil kung si Vice President, tinanggalan niya na, bakit hindi kasama si President? Di ba? Tanong lang.
Mr. President, wala. I will just read. Sino mga pangalan? First on the list, Senator Robin Padilla, Christopher Bongo, Ramon Bong Revilla Jr., Ronald Bato de la Rosa, Jinggoy Estrada, Lito Lapid, Francis Tolentino, and Cynthia Villar. They are putting us in a bad light, and I condemn this. And I take offense on this.
Okay. This was reported last November 6th, and it's already what? November 26th. Oh, how many days are now? Came through. Pero wala pa tayo naririnig kung sino ang marites na naglabas niya, di ba? So, is this like for show? Or just trying to protect his ass? Kasi para sa akin, he's just trying to protect his ass, man. Alam naman natin, nasa laki ngayon ng impluensya ng nasa itaas dyan. Ay talagang kahit sino, walang babangga. Di ba? Pilipino lang talaga ang pwedeng bumangga.
Nakalagay pa, Senator Pia Cayetano is said to be supportive of reinstating Duterte's confidential funds if she can justify the need for them. This is not true. And I hope Senator Pia Cayetano will agree with me. Yung mga ano. Just for a while, Mr. President, hinahanap pa ni Senator Robin yung mga nakasulat.
Alam mo, dapat ang daming yung researcher sa opisina, abogado, nagtatype. Dapat kung talagang, in case lang in case yan ay prepared na to tell to the Senate, dapat yan inilagay na nila, ipinrate na lang nila o in-screenshot na lang nila. Total, marami kayong pera. You can buy an iPad o mga gandang Samsung tablet. Hindi. Parang doon nyo lang yung ginawa. Pero unless, doon lang nila nakita. So, that's a different story. Okay. Pero, sana in-screenshot nyo na lang, mga chong. Pambihira kayo. Gaganda ng cellphone nyo. Magbihira.
May naroy wifi.
Ano ba tayo dito? Converge, PLDT, Secretary. DICT.
Oh, pati mga brand name o yung mga company name, binanggit pa di parang pinalalabas yung ang hihina talaga ng signal. Sa bagay, mga chong, totoo yan. Nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, talagang ang hina ng signal. Sa iba to no? Talagang, ayaw ko ba? Pero matyaga pa rin ng mga Pilipino, makapag-Facebook lang. YouTube yata, may bayad pa. Oh my God.
Mr. President.
Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. President. And if I may quote, Anis Cooper told this media outlet that Senators Sani Angara, Francis Escudero, Rafi Tulfo, Aquilino Pimentel III, and Risa Hontiveros are allegedly against the reinstatement of Duterte's secret allocation, which are lodged under the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education.
Siyempre naman, sila Rapi Tulfo ba naman, Risa Hontiveros, alam ka naman pumayag sa confidential pa niya, di bumango lalo yung pangalan ni Sara. Oh, kita niyo naman sa survey, 83%, sinisiraan pa yan, ini-impeach pa yan. Oh, alam ka naman pumayag yung dalawang yun, yun yung may pangalan pag tumakbo. Ikaw talaga, erap, masyado ka naman ang paghalata.
Mali-mali po itong report.
Mali ka rin.
Mr. President.
Sana ginawa mo lang simple.
Senator Angara must not be included in this list. And among the offices, Duterte's allocation was part of the 1.2 billion in confidential funds that the House realigned to agencies focused on the West Philippine Sea. Mr. President, tumayo po ako rito dahil masamang-masama po ang loob ko.
Di sana umupo ka na lang.
I really felt insulted. And I think my other colleagues here also felt the same way.
Tamo si Robin Padilla, ganda lang upo niya, pag ganyan-ganyan lang.
Mr. President. And Mr. President, I stand before you and I want to make this recommendation, maybe to talk to this media outlet or to summon this media outlet and ask them who among us violated our rules, who among us leaked what transpired in our executive session yesterday. That's all, Mr. President.
Thank you.
Yun. Abangan natin kung sino yung nag-leak nun kasi imposible naman hindi alam yan ng Politico.com ba yun? I think he mentioned Politico News. So, they should. Kasi kung isasamo sila ng mga from the Senate, kailangan i-report talaga nila yan kung sino yan, no? Ngayon, aabangan ngayon ng mga Pilipino yan kung totoo yung sinabi mo. Dahil pagka hindi lumabas yan, walang ka narinig na tungkol dyan, wala. BS yan. Diba? The conclusion here also is because the way I see him is parang takot na takot nga talaga siya. I'm not sure kung dahil tatakot siya doon sa smugs, no? Or sa budol ba yun?
What the fuck?
Or sa tambalos-los?
Why?
I know. So, Senator, you are a legislative government. Okay? Independent. Okay? Alright. Tama lang yung ginawa mo. Pinakita at pinaalam mo sa Pilipinas na may nag-leak ng ganyang klaseng chismis, marites. Pero, you just have to make it simple. Say it simple, no? Kasi parang worried ka eh. Parang takot na takot ka na. Baka mamaya ay para ka tatanggalan ng budget. No? Anyway, yun ang angulo ng sa akin. Marami ng angulo na natural lang yan, okay lang, at normal lang yan na magalit ang isang senator dahil nga nileak. This is mali rin naman, di ba? Nag-leak ng gano'n tapos hindi naman pala totoo. Again, wala tayong inaano rito. All I was saying was parang takot na takot siya sa mga pinagsasabi niya. No, you don't have to worry about that. You're a senator and you're supposed to be fiscalizer. Just say this is fake news. We're gonna have investigation about this and let's move on and make a law for our fellow Filipino. Diba? Ano lang yun, man. Ano yung mga to? Kasi talagang masyado nilang ginagasgas ang pangalan ng VP Sara natin eh, no? And tama na yung confidential fund para sa mga lahat ng agency. That's it. Diba? Hindi niya nga binanggit dito. Lagi niya binabanggit si VP, Education Secretary. Pero yung presidente, hindi niya mabanggit. Sabi niya, tatanggalin daw nila yung mga confidential fund. Siyempre, on the other side, kailangan naman ng presidente ang confidential fund para magpapa-investigate din siya o intelligence. But the thing is, how? Kasi marami ngayon lumalabas sa balita na ang confidential fund ng presidente ay ginagamit sa mga pleasure. Diba? Kaya, all I can say here is, we'll see if this is just bullshit, or talagang no bells itong si Jinggoy, Papogi, no? Huwag na muna natin tawagin pa Epal. We will wait for that. At sana nga sa siyam na senators naman, which is hindi naman nagsalita, kundi si Jinggoy lang, at yung isa si Bad Boy ay parang tagahawak ng cellphone at nawalan pa yata ng wifi. So, we will see about that. But, yeah, they've been mentioning every time si Vice President Sara. No, even though you can say it one time and that's it. Okay? Pero sa kanya, parang they're really worried. Man, when I see this, parang it's so disappointing kasi mga senator yan eh. Ang Congress nga eh, madumi na eh. Tapos nga itong Senate, lumalabas na naman din ang kulay. I hope not. I hope I'm wrong. Okay? Alright. Anyway, hanggang dito na lang po tayo at sana po ay nakapagbigay tayo ng magandang reaction ngayon dito po. And again, no personal dito at nag-react lang po tayo. Request po ito ng ating isang OFW. Asahan po natin next video po at sana po nandun kayo and please continue and subscribe, share, like, comment at i-press nyo na bell notification. Okay? Alright, hanggang dito na lang po muli and again, sabi nga ng ating VP Sara,
Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.
that's right. Thank you and bye-bye.